Alright, what is up mga tech shop? So for today's video, I have here an Oppo A5S with a broken LCD and some garbage display on the screen. However, the touch is still working, but the customer decided to just replace LCD because as you can see here, the display has dark spots on it. If you're interested in this video, stay tuned. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also check my Facebook page, which is John Barn Tech Shop, and check the link on the description, especially on the Involve Asia. You might earn extra income for that affiliate marketing website. So just sign it up, click on the link on the description. Let's go. Alright, so let's get started. Yeah, again, this phone has broken screen on it. However, the touch is still working, and display has dark spots on it, so customer decided to get it replaced. So shout out Papa Daddy Buki. One of his co-worker asked him to get this phone fixed. So we're getting a lot of customers now. That only means that they trust our service. So if your business is getting a lot of customers, even if your customer don't know you personally, then that means your business is growing, and you just have to keep going. So no need to stop. Yeah, you'll need to keep going. Business is working. They like your services or your whatever your business is doing. Customer is satisfied, so that's why you're getting customers that you don't know personally. So let's go back to the tutorial. Turn off the phone after testing it. For this model Oppo A5S, to remove the back cover, we'll need to apply heat, and then when prying the back cover, just be careful because there's fingerprint flex cable, so we don't want to cut accidentally. So, and then there's a screw that protects there's a screw and metal plate that protects the fingerprint cable, so you'll need to remove it first. Once removing the back cover, let's clean up the old glue. I like cleaning it up first before removing the screws or before proceeding to the troubleshooting steps, because I like working on a clean environment. So removing old glues will help. Now we're in the process of removing the screws, and then pry the back cover. The cover is out. Let's remove the battery because we'll be doing some testing on the new LCD screen. So to remove the battery, just pull the green plastic. Pull that green plastic on the battery. Then let's open up the new LCD. let's test the new LCD before we assemble the phone with the new LCD. So we need to make sure that the screen display is good and touch is working. Alright, looks like display is good. And the touch is working, so we can proceed with assembling the phone. Let's go ahead and remove the old LCD, the broken one. Let's apply heat so we can easily remove the LCD. Then let's clean up the edges of the frame. This is very important because once we apply the glue, we'll need to make sure that the glue holds or stick to the edges of the frame. And also, this is a tip here. I'm putting Scotch tape on the flex cable of the LCD. Because if the flex cable keeps on moving, it's gonna cause a touch issue for this Oppo A5S. So we need to secure that flex cable. Here, I did not notice that the recording stopped, and yeah, I just noticed it. I was about to test the new the LCD, and here I noticed that after an hour of letting the glue dry, I noticed that it did not hold the LCD properly, so I put another glue and decided to let it dry overnight so that it's gonna hold the LCD properly. And then I'm putting back the screws and the back cover as well. So in that case, if you think that the glue doesn't hold the LCD properly, you may need to let it dry for overnight. Usually it's just an hour, but in this case I'm gonna let it dry for overnight, and that worked for me. And now I'm applying LCD tempered glass, so it's gonna protect the new LCD and for customer satisfaction as well. So the customer don't have to buy a new tempered glass. And that's the process of replacing LCD. If you're interested in that kind of video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and check the link on the description. I put all the links on the tools that I've been using in my repairs, and also check on the Involve Asia link. Let's go.